Welcome to module 3. This is an important module because I'm going to show you what, why, how, and when to post on your Snapchat in order to get the best results for your fans and users. So first things first, I'm going to give you some content mindsets to have that underlie all the other questions we're going to ask throughout this module and really give you a good perception of what you're doing when you're posting on Snapchat. So in my mind, there's two different ways that you can be posting on Snapchat. One is a give post and the other is a take post. So a give post is something offering value to your fans. So it may be a freebie, it may be a voucher, it may be just entertainment or anything educational about your brand. This is giving, you're entertaining your fans. A take post is your products or your services or an email lead capture. Any call to action that you want your fans to take, this is a take post. Anytime that you're posting on Snapchat, that you want to have a good balance of these two factors. Give post wants to be 95% of the content that you put out there, and a take post is 5%. So that's 1 in 20 things you can offer a service or a product or something that you really benefit from is 5% of the time. The rest of the time, you're really trying to build brand familiarity, people who like your brand, just getting in front of them so you build strong connections with every one of your fans. This is super beneficial for you because when they need one of your products or services, they're going to know you and trust you, and they're not going to go to one of your competitors, but they're going to go to you. So this is more of an indirect result of Snapchat. It comes from direct posts, that 5% of the take posts that you give. Build a strong relationship with your fans. So without further ado, let's go ahead and answer the rest of the questions, showing you how, when, and what to post on Snapchat. I'll see you guys there.